Oh, come on, you got to make a call on that. Oh, hey, this is Jeff here, and I'd like to talk to you about photo mashups. I did it in Keynote, and what I did was I took a bunch of famous photographs and I used Instant Alpha to change the background and add some borders. It's really just a creative process that allows you to layer a bunch of photographs, and you could use it for a bunch of different ideas. So for example, while I used famous art or images, you could also use images related to a topic. So the Renaissance, for example, or To Kill a Mockingbird, or the life cycle of a butterfly. Just grab a bunch of photographs that will allow the kids to create that artistic piece from those photographs, whatever topic you want to cover. Another idea would be to cover the settings of a story. So if you're looking for dark and brooding, have a bunch of photographs of dark and brooding and have the kids layer those. Or if you wanted to do a character analysis of, say, Atticus Finch, for example, what are some images that would identify Atticus Finch? Then once you have all those photographs together, dump them in Keynote and really let the kids get creative. It's really fun, it's really easy, and I think that each of your projects will come out as individual as the kids are. So have fun with 10-minute tryouts, the photo mashup edition. I did a quick screencast on how to do that, so if you stay tuned, you'll be able to see that too. Have fun, good luck, and if you have questions, contact Jason or I. Thanks.
When you've gotten what you want.